Today's story is about a deadline, and missing it just by one day. A group of miners had rights to use federal land. These rights were important because they allowed them to continue mining and operating their claims. But there was one condition. Every year, they had to file a simple piece of paperwork to keep those rights active. The rule was very clear. They had to file before December 31st. Not on December 31st, not after. Before. But the miners filed their paperwork on December 31st, just one day late. They probably thought it was close enough. After all, it was only a single day. But when the government reviewed their filings, it said no. The deadline had passed, and because of that, the miners lost their rights. Welcome to Once Upon a Case, because the law isn't just for lawyers, it's for everyone. So they challenged the decision. They argued that the penalty was too harsh. Losing valuable mining rights over a one-day delay didn't seem fair. They asked the court to make an exception. The case eventually reached the Supreme Court of the United States. The question was simple. Should the law be applied strictly, even when the result seems unfair? In United States v. Locke, the court said yes. They explained that the rule was clear, and when rules are clear, they must be followed as written. If courts start making exceptions, even for small delays, the system becomes unpredictable. The court acknowledged that the result might feel harsh, but they emphasized that clear deadlines are important. They create certainty, and everyone is expected to follow them exactly. So in the end, the miners lost their rights, all because they missed the deadline by one day. This case became a powerful reminder that in the law, details matter. A single day can make the difference between something and losing it completely. A simple deadline turned into a hard lesson that sometimes even one day is too late. And that's the story of United States versus Locke. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this story, follow along for more. See you on the next one.